guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is going to be a travel vlog with my family. If you want to see what we're going to do today, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like. So I actually have my stuff ready now. Here. Ta-da! So this is how I look all throughout the trip. Ta-da! My outfit, it's a hanging outfit from a Fisher Mall. And my slippers. Let's go. We avail a tour package from Metro Deal for 2,000 pesos each. We reached Bolinao at around 6 a.m. and our first, before checking out the beauty of the Patar beach, we ate here at this small grill and restaurant. Our simple long silog costs 100 pesos and you only get one longanisa. And it's not even the Pangasinan longanisa. After our disappointing breakfast, we head out and checked out the Patar Beach Market, where you can see different kinds of souvenirs, different swimwear, and other swimming gear. We did not buy any souvenirs here because I'm not a big fan of any keychains or memories. Patar Beach, for those who are not familiar with this place, is a public beach in Bolinao, and it's known as the Boracay of the North. Anyway, this is a public beach, so it's cheap, or I need to say it's free, not cheap. It's free, and if you want to rent some tables and cottages and even camp out, there are tents available as well. You better check this one out if you're on a budget and you want to see different kinds of beaches, in Bolinao. This is one place that you should check out. Bolinao, right? Time for dessert. This is what we call in the Philippines ice scramble. Very delicious. I like the milk here. This is a perfect way to beat the summer heat. This one was for about 20 pesos for this big container. Siomai galore. Forever siomai. Patatim. Iniling. Buko salad. Buko. For healthy life. Our last stop for the day was the Bolinao Falls 1. There are 3 falls in Bolinao, but we only got to check this one. It's big. It has this really beautiful jump, and I believe it's 10 feet or more. And yes, the entrance fee is 50 pesos, and if you want to borrow some life vest because it's really deep there, you can also borrow it for 50 pesos. Tip, since it was a holiday, there were just too many people. So if you want to enjoy the view, go here, not on a long break.
Bolinao Falls! Falls number 1! Ayun siya. Sobrang daming tao. Isa! Sobrang bato. Ay, ano ba yan?
This is where we'll stay. Let's enter. Hello, hello, hello. Got a small sala. Si Papa. Cute chairs. Meron pa tayong ref and sofa. Meron tayong small dining area. And this is our room. Tingnan natin kung maliwanag na ba. Maliwanag na ba ang room? Yan, habang tulog sila. Hello, May! Ang ingay. Hello! Hi! Ilang ilaw dito? Tulog na si Ate Aya. This is our room. Meron tayong ilang bed. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then bunk bed. And sofa bed. And the CR over there. And so this is our room for the night. Maganda naman siya. Hagardos Versosa. Kakaliga after the Bolinao Falls. Ito, meron tayong mga off-limits. So pretty!
Bakit nakatayo sa
Happy birthday! Let's do it! Saan tayo kakain? Ayun yung bata. This place near the port where you can go to 100 Islands is the best. There are different kinds of eateries you can choose from, and we got to taste the best longanisa here. So we're very happy. This is the best eating place if you want to, to eat something somewhere where it's cheap and delicious in Pangasinan. I suggest you try this one out.
Don't you worry about a thing. We were born to break away. Everything will fade, but love remains. Beat.com.
Longanisa, pakbet, chicken.
Ito na.
We also got bagnet.